Nocturnal animals are active at night. Diurnal animals are active in the day. Animals use their senses to hunt or hide. A bat can't see well, but it can hear very well. It listens to insects and hunts them. An owl can see in the dark, and it is very quiet. It hunts mice and other small animals at night. A mouse can't see very well. It can hear and smell well, so it can hide from owls and other hunters. It eats fruit and plants. A fox can hear very well, and it can run fast. It hunts small animals like mice, but it eats fruit, plants, and a lot of other things too.